In this video I'm going to show you how to get TikTok on the Nintendo Switch 2. First go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet, select Internet Settings, select the Wi-Fi you are using, select Change Settings, then scroll down to DNS Settings and switch it to Manual and change the primary DNS to this code, so 045.055.142.122. Now, once you've done it, click on Save, click on OK. Then connect again to your Wi-Fi, connect to this network. And it will fill the last step of the internet connection, but this is totally okay. Click on OK. Select Google. And now in Google type in log in TikTok. Select done, select OK. Select the first one. And this is how to get TikTok on the Nintendo Switch 2.